The next tab I'm going to show you is the sampling tab. This tab basically lets you sample right within the mixer or the sequence mode. You can actually go to the sampling key and choose your input. You can either have a digital input from the back or an analog input from the 1-2, and choose which your input is. Make sure that you go in here and you select the bank and the sample number. So you're going to create your own sample preferences before you even start to record. You're going to create a program with it, and you're going to name everything. Or you can fill in a different program. You can fill in an empty program. After you've done this, you can just press the sample start button and the sample record button and be able to sample right into your sequencer. After you've done this, you can also affect the sample by pressing the menu button, adding effects to it. You could also trim the sample within the sampling mode, and you can also erase it by not keeping it.